Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well today. This dump cake has peaches, marshmallow cream, and topped with Jiffy apple cinnamon muffin mix. A little different, a little crunchier on the top, different spin on your average dump cake. I did not use cake mix, and the marshmallow cream gives it a definite extra sweetness that I think you guys will love. You want to know how to make this? Keep watching. Okay guys, here are the ingredients for this delicious dessert. I'm going to be using an 8x8 baking dish. I'm going to spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. I have 2 cans of peaches. They're cut in halves and they're in the syrup. I'm going to drain one and keep the syrup for the other. A couple dashes of cinnamon. Instead of cake mix, this time I'm going to use muffin mix, apple cinnamon. Apples and peaches go delicious together, and the surprise ingredient is the marshmallow cream. That'll give it some gooiness. I have a stick and about a half of butter. I don't know how much I'm going to need, and I'm going to use a half cup of brown sugar. My oven is set at 350 degrees. This will go for about 35 to 45 minutes. Perfect dump dessert if you want something different, and the marshmallow cream really levels it up. So I'm going to get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay, I'm going to start with my peaches. This can has the juice in there. I didn't drain this can, and this can has been drained. And this is a quick, fast, easy dessert. I'm going to use my half a cup of brown sugar, and then just a couple dashes of cinnamon. It's almost a cross between peach cobbler with apple. And then I've got my marshmallow cream that I'm going to add to this. This gives it another type of sweetness and a gooiness to it. It's only about 1/3 of a container. I didn't want to waste it, so I had to come up with something ingenious to make with this. And I love dump cakes because they're easy and you don't have to measure flour or sugar or anything like that. It's kind of hard to get out. So I'm going to mix this all together. Probably should have done dollops on top. Okay, I've mixed this together. It's turned it kind of milky. So now I'm going to take my 8x8 baking dish. I'm going to spray it with some non-stick cooking spray so this doesn't stick. And then to this, I'll add the mixture. And you can cut the peaches up. I started to cut them, but for simplicity and time's sake, I just left them in the halves. And then you want to take your Jiffy apple cinnamon mix and sprinkle that on top. And it's just me and my husband, so an 8x8 is a perfect size for us. But if you're going to entertain or have, a bunch of kids or extra people, more than 4, I would definitely do a 9x13 and double this. The marshmallows really make it nice and gooey. You just want to make sure this is covered. And the apples and the peaches, believe it or not, is a surprising, delicious flavor combination. Then I have a whole stick of butter that I'm just going to put pats on top. And I do have an extra half in case it runs short. This has been sitting out for a couple minutes, so it's starting to stick together a little bit. And there you have it, in the oven at 350 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes. And you have a delicious peach apple. It's almost like a peach apple cobbler dump cake. Oh my gosh, guys, this smells absolutely delicious. The mixture with peaches, apples, cinnamon, and marshmallow cream with the corn muffin mix. You guys aren't going to believe this. This is fabulous. Total cooking time, 45 minutes. There you have it. Most of the peaches have risen to the top, and the marshmallow gooey inside is all mixed and congealed with the brown sugar. I think you guys are gonna love this. I'm gonna let it cool off before I scoop it up and get everything ready and tell you guys my joke. Okay, it's out of the oven. It just cooled for a little bit. I'm gonna show you how to scoop this up. See, it's pretty thick because of the marshmallow cream. I'm gonna give this a taste. Since people have been complaining I don't taste it. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is so good. The marshmallow really makes the difference. And using the apple cinnamon Jiffy corn mix, because it's crunchy, it's not cake, with a little bit of a different texture. And it's not too sweet for me, but if you don't like stuff that's sweet, I used a half a cup of brown sugar. I'd go down to a third, but definitely add some sugar to this. This is wonderful. I think your family would definitely enjoy this. So let me get everything set up. I'll tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, let me tell you my joke. An old religious woman goes to a pet store to buy a parrot. Everything is fine until she brings it home. It begins to swear uncomfortably. Screw this, screw that, screw you, and finally the lady can't stand it anymore. She grabs the bird, shoves it in the freezer, and slams the door shut, squawking, shrieking, pounding, and cursing for a few moments, and then goes quiet. The woman is scared that she has hurt the bird. She opens the freezer. The parrot walks calmly out and steps onto the woman's outstretched hand. He looks into the lady's eyes and says, "Ma'am, I am truly sorry for my language. I offended you, and it won't occur again. May I ask, what did the chicken do?" I thought that was kind of funny because, the chicken was in there dead, frozen. So, he got his crap together and got out of that freezer, and now he's on his on great behavior. But anyway, this is the bomb. The marshmallow cream definitely takes it over the top with the muffin mix, because there's a million dump cakes, but it's just cake mix with butter on top. You have got to try a muffin mix. And Jiffy, which is in Michigan, the home of Jiffy, started in 1950, and they have several different options that you probably hear. We can only find the blueberry in my area of Michigan at Walmart. Kroger, Meijer, Aldi, none of the other stores sell the blueberry Jiffy muffin mix. So I'm definitely going to make one with blueberries and cream and cheesecake with the blueberry muffin mix. But the muffin mix gives it a crunchier texture, and the taste is just phenomenal. So I mixed peaches with the apple cinnamon and the marshmallow cream, and it's now one of our favorites. It's one of our go-to desserts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. Remember, I respond to every comment. May God bless you and you guys' family always, and I hope to see you on the next one.